Hello guys, here is smartphone Samsung Galaxy M53. This version 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory in the brown color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have only cable for charging. On this we have only Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and connecting, and key for SIM slot. This is all complementation. Okay. Device made of plastic, quad camera on the back side, LED, on the front side 6.7-inch display, on this side power key, and volume keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Device without headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. Okay, on device. Load. We have display Full HD Plus resolution, Super AMOLED Plus display, 120 Hz. Settings. About phone. We have One UI 4.1, Android 12, Knox 3.8. Close this and open Geekbench file. Talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT6877 octa-core 6+2 cores. GPU Mali G68 resolution, Full HD Plus, and display PPA. Look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Close this. Look onto the benchmark test result. Okay, multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. Close. And open demanding game beta PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, start game. Mark the graphic level. And game works very good without lags, glitches, very smooth. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 108 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.